everybody, this is your catalyst Nitika Dugal, and today I have come with something special. I have a very amazing kit which claims to have how many? 120 plus experiments. Does this actually have 120 plus experiments? If yes, then science is physics, chemistry, as well as biology. So we will figure out what kind of experiments there are. Let's unbox this box. Okay, let's get started. Here we have the kit. Let's just open it up. Right from Amazon it has come. I'll tell you the price towards the end, but this kind of looks like a good gift. If you want to gift somebody, why not gift some good stuff, right?
Alright, so let's just unbox it. Oh, so this is what we have.
First thing first, there is a science kit manual, the instruction manual, which tells us what can we do. There is physio, magic volcano, underwater volcano, water fireworks, magic balloon, bath bomb, let's make colors, colorful jewels, looks like a lot. So 60 bonus experiments, super, oh lovely. So I don't know if this can be beautifully felt. So this time the direction, the camera placement, everything, the production, the aesthetics, everything, this is also something that I only purchased. So it's kind of like working your hand on a lot of different domains that I have never entered. So pardon me for any mistake, but this is cool, yeah. Looks like not a lot of stuff. Some apparatus, everything is plastic though. This is plastic as well. Nothing is glass because of course the age group probably is young kids. So glass is not here. In fact, all the bottles, there are food colors. There is cornstarch. Looks like a cooking kit to me. So we have baking soda, right? Crystal powder sodium polyacrylate. Looks like we're going to make some ice. Then we have cornstarch. I am absolutely excited to experiment all of them. Do let me know in the comments whether you would like to see what's the experiments in this, and let's take it one by one and learn some chemistry from the kit.